Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to cover some of the most common PC problems and how to troubleshoot and fix them. Let's get started. Problem number 1. Slow performance. If your computer is running slow, there are several things you can do to improve its performance. First, try closing any programs or tabs that you don't need. If that doesn't work, try restarting your computer. If the problem persists, you may need to clean up your hard drive by deleting unnecessary files and programs or running a disk cleanup tool. Problem number 2. Startup issues. If your computer is having trouble starting up, there could be several causes. First, make sure all cables and peripherals are properly connected. If that doesn't work, try restarting your computer and pressing F8 or Shift plus F8 to enter safe mode. From there, you can troubleshoot and fix any issues that may be causing the startup problem. Problem number 3. Blue screens of death. A blue screen of death, BSOD, is a common Windows error that can be caused by a variety of issues, such as hardware failures or driver problems. When you encounter a BSOD, the best thing to do is to write down the error code and message, then search online for solutions. Common fixes include updating drivers, running a system file checker tool, or reinstalling Windows. Problem number 4. Malware infections. If your computer is infected with malware, it can cause a variety of issues, such as slow performance, pop-up ads, or even data loss. To prevent and fix malware infections, make sure you have an antivirus program installed and updated regularly. You can also run a malware scan using your antivirus or a dedicated malware removal tool. Problem number 5. Connectivity issues. If your computer is having trouble connecting to the internet or other devices, there are several things you can do to troubleshoot the issue. First, check your network cables and router settings. If that doesn't work, try restarting your computer or resetting your network settings. You can also try updating your network drivers or resetting your router to its default settings. Problem number 6. Hardware failures. If your computer is experiencing hardware failures, such as a malfunctioning hard drive or a broken screen, you may need to replace or repair the affected component. If your computer is still under warranty, contact the manufacturer for support. If not, you can take your computer to a local repair shop or DIY with online tutorials. Conclusion. And that's it for our video on how to fix common PC problems. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting advice.